How to fix Windows stop code error. Hello everyone and let's get started. Windows stop code errors, also known as blue screen of death or BSOD, can occur due to various reasons including hardware issues, driver problems, software conflicts, or system corruption. These errors halt the normal functioning of your computer and display a blue screen with an error message. Here are some of the ways to fix this issue. First of all, take note of the stop code message that occurs. Next up, you have to make sure to restart your computer as a temporary glitch may occur due to this problem. But if does not work, let's move on to the next solution. First of all, you have to open your command prompt or the terminal as an administrator. For that, right click on the start button and then click on terminal admin. Once you have opened the command prompt or the administrative terminal, first of all, a user account control will pop up. Tap on yes and then paste the command which is given on the screen, which is for the disk restore health checkup. So for that, you have to just copy it and then paste the command into the command prompt. The scan process might take a while, so you can just wait until the proper scan has been completed. Likewise, once the process is completed, you have to switch to another command which is for the scan repairment or corrupted files repairment. The command is sfc/scan now. This command will check for any of the corrupted files and make sure to correct it as well. After that, you might have to restart your computer in case of any fixes and changes. Likewise, you have to make sure to update your Windows in a timely manner so that you can update any of the bugs and fixes. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.